Should students be allowed to use cell phones in class? Why or why not? I believe that all
I buy a car and also a planet for myself.
I don't care about you. We'll renovate it and to be a mall and
I would like to do and some business and
Kung mapapansin niyo po ay kami magkakasama dito at wala ibang kasama namin sa bahay, mga kuya o iba pa. Sa kadahilan ng kami po kasi kami po yung magkakadugo o kami talaga yung magkakamag-anak dito. Dahil ngayong araw po may gagawin kami para mapatunayan sa inyo na yung dugo namin o kami magkakamag-anak eh lahat kami ay genius. Lahat kami eh sabi niyo na ba? Lahat kami ay matatalino at gusto namin iparating sa inyo ngayon to at gusto namin ipakita sa inyo dahil may gagawin kami ngayon which is ito yung impromptu speech. Which is pag may tanong na lumabas dito, sasagutin namin to English form. Lahat we will speak in English and we will mamaya pa magkasala kami English. At para respeto sa sasagot, kailangan niyo uminom ng tubig para hindi kayo talaga makapagsalita. Okay? So, again guys, papakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kami ka-genius o katalino. Pagpasensyahan nyo na kung mararamdaman nyo, mafe-feel nyo ng mga bobo kayo. So, let's go. Ako na mauna? Okay. Let's go. For now, or right now, we will speak in English. And we will answer the question in English form. Okay? Let's go. Drink your water.
Okay, ready. Impromptu speech. The question will here. Okay. If you could solve one word problem, which one would it be and why? If I will resolve a problem, the problem I will resolve is the problem, because when we're tackling about the problem is like a meal, and so because he has a problem that he can contaminate himself if he is there or there. So teka lang. Nakita ko kasi Emil eh. Okay, another question. Sorry. Should students be allowed to use cell phones in class? Why or why not? I believe that all of the students will use a cell phone like Honor X9.
Honor X90 5G.
Bulok na. Oh, inom. Respeto, wala nga sa... Okay. I believe that all of the students will use a cell phone like Honor X90 because each and everybody has a privacy that we can conclude if we are using a cell phone. And that cell phone will use to the greater knowledge and the explicit of the gravitational pull, and that is 9.8 meter per second squared. So if there's a face, there's a maze. What's that? A cell phone? Honor X90. So therefore, I conclude that each cell phone has a use inside the classroom, but don't use it every day. Okay, sinusunod. 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 Sigala.
Okay. Where's the question? What's make good friend? Oh, actually, I have a good friend. But sometimes, I don't know if she is he or she. But my friend is very good. But he didn't know who is M. And also,
Teka lang. Iba yung may tanong.
bakit?
Ilan lang yung friend mo eh. Iba yung may tanong.
Okay, iba. Okay, iba. Inom. What's the question? What makes what would you do if you won $1 million? Okay. If I won $1 million, I give my money to myself. Because if I give to them, I don't have the money. And also, I buy a car and also a planet for myself. myself. I built a planet for myself and I want to be a president in this country, in this planet, for the good. Everything. Next.
Okay, what's the question? Give me the question. Let's go. If you could have any superpower, that would it be in? Okay, if I have a superpower, first of all, I will run for myself, because I think the superpower that I need is to run fast. Because if I run fast, I will run good. I will eat good. I will everything is good. You know what I'm saying? Good. You know what I'm saying? Good. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? Everything will be fine. Everything. Everything will be fine. Everything will be good. That's why the superpower is we need more power to the strength of the people of the humanity. And that's all for today.
Listen.
Ako na.
Sige. Pagpapalinan na to. Kasi globo siya.
Okay. Should uniforms be mandatory in schools? Why or why not? For me, it's your opinion, and I don't care about your. I don't care about your. I don't care about your. I don't really care about uniforms because I don't like using uniforms, and I don't have money to buy some sandals and shoes. That's it. Ganon. Sige, tabi tayo.
Okay, give me the hardiest question that you know. Because I'm questioning. If you could only eat one dish for the rest of your life, what would it be? If I'm going to give me a chance to eat my favorite, I'm going to eat dragon because I
Bakit dragon?
the fire in this dish establish the universe country around the world and the universe turn around to me. And I'm going there.
Wala ko, if you could eat something, one thing in the world, Henry.
After dragon, I eat.
It's also hard.
Sino ba?
Ano labas mo question? The question. Oh! If you were the principal of this school for a day, what changes would you make? If I am the principal of this school today, I will change the whole school. I will change the whole school and I will renovate it and to be a mall and
Ay, may isang araw ka lang, gagawin mo doon.
I will go into mall and I will go into the park to see the stars and to the moon and back. And so there's a galaxy in the solar planet and there's a Mercury beside 7-Eleven and so there's a whole solar system in there. Okay, that's all. So I will change the school if I were the principal. That's all. Next.
Alam niyo, hindi kayo magaling lahat. Ito pinakamatalino sa atin sa lahat ng magkakamag-anak. Feeling ko ito. Pakitaan mo kasi ng tamang sagot, no?
Yeah, sure.
Ito pinakamagaling.
Okay. Dito ka, para mabasa ano.
If you could spend the day with a celebrity, ay, any pala. Who would it be? Who? Yeah. Ade, Danny celebrity. Ade, Danny celebrity.
Lasing ka ba?
Basahin mo muna! Basahin mo muna! Basahin mo na! Tubig, patuloy tayo.
If you could spend a day with any celebrity, who would it be and what would you do? I would like to do some business and if you could go. If you do some business, you can go another country and if you do there and go back. And go back. And go back. Because if you don't back, you don't have business. And after business, you can, you need a vacation, and if you vacation, and you feel so good. And that's sometimes I want to do. And before you do that, you need money, and you can business again. Business again. Business again. And that's how I spend my day in a day. That's right.
Alam niyo, gusto ata makisali ng bisita natin.
Yeah.
Halika. Basta kung ano yung gusto mo sabihin, ipakita mo na genius ka. Ikaw ka, parang
Kaya ko yan.
pamilya ka na rin namin eh. Halika.
Ayan.
Yan. Para malalaman natin. Ito, pinakamagaling.
Kaya ko to.
Huwag niyo tawanan kasi.
What does being a responsible citizen mean to you? A responsible citizen is you doing good the things that you doing good the things that you doing good the things that that the things you don't know. That's why being responsible is your obligation right now. That's why all. That's why all. That's why all.
Okay, tuloy.
That's all of the duties and responsibilities of the Valorant of the immigration is the things that you don't know. That's why you need to know the things, the right and wrong. That's all. Alam bot? Alam bot?
Galing! Parang pageant ah.
Alam nyo, dapat sagutin mo siguro parang Miss Universe.
Dapat
Tas-
yung pang ano.
Oo,
Saka
parang...
tayo.
Hindi, wag na. Parang Miss Universe.
Dali na lang ah.
Ayan, kaya ko na to.
Ito, pang Miss Universe. Kanain mo.
Ayan.
Pakita mo sino ka. Pili ko mas matalino lahin eh.
What makes a good friend? Thank you for that wonderful question. A good friend is you give all your money to me. That's why a good friend, yes. A good friend, yes. A good friend, yes. A good friend. A good friend is being like a senior citizen that you take care of me. That's why all you need to me is to give duties and responsibility to me. That's all. Very good? All fine? Thank you.
Magaling!
Magaling. Effect.
Magaling.
Bakit ba kaya matalino? Piling ko si Mama, dapat makasagot si Mama, ano? Kasi yun yung puno natin eh. Si Papa kasi alam ko matalino yun. Si Mama dapat maan natin. No? Piling ko sobrang talino yun. Nasa bahay. Nakasagalaan. Ma, sa ka ba?
Sa Pampanga ako, bakit?
Eh, gusto ko patunayan na matalino yung lahi natin na mga genius tayo eh.
Ha?
Gusto ko patunayan, di ba si Papa matalino?
Oo, matalino yung papa ko.
Eh, gusto ko patunayan na lahat tayo matalino yung dugo natin. Kaya ito, sagutin mo to na English ha, pure English. Ready? Here's the question. If you could solve one world problem, which one would it be and why?
Nothing. Because I have no problem. Oh, see? I have no problem. Because my kids is so generous, loving, and caring.
Naman akong binibigay sa iyo ah.
That's all, and I thank you.
Sa'yo na naman may card ko.
May wala, sinuli ko na sa'yo. Pera ko to, nililibre ni tatay ko. Kasi ako, ano yung ginagawa mo sa akin, ginagawa ko sa tatay ko. Ay, baliktad pala, na-adapt nyo pala.
Eh, ibinigay ko sa yung pera. Yan ba yun?
Oo!
Yun, patay. Patay. You doing good.